on? So you was coming for a hug? What you was doing?
Get a picture?
You got a hat on the shiesty? Where your shoe at, man?
What's the fit?
Where's your shoe at?
I just took my shoe off.
Come on, man. You took the shoe off before you took the bandana off? That's an interesting order right there. This is gonna tell me so much about y'all. What comes off first? The cleats, the gloves, the flags, or the headband? Y'all let me know in the comments.
Oh, we run my ones.
Huh?
Run my ones.
You want to run ones?
Yeah, run my ones.
You don't even like you run on a treadmill, boy. You don't even run on a treadmill talking about run my ones. What you want to do? Where the ball at? What you want to do? You know what it is. Fair. That's a fair assignment. So he got a boy out here that he's saying is like that. I asked him which one it is, and now you tell me which one you think it is. I like that. Hey, how old are they though? How old are they? 7 U? I like 7 U. Let's see. Oh yeah, I found him already. Found him already. The one that just fumbled the handoff. He said, "Damn!" I thought, "Oh, got him." Out of there. Whoa, steady. I thought that was your boy. I thought that was your boy. I guess he play offense, huh? Yeah, I guess he play offense.
He ain't got good hit. Somebody sprayed Pam on his feet. Slip and slide.
You see, these are 7-year-olds. Them 7-year-olds we've seen in Florida, those some mutants. Hey, that was a good play though. That was a great play call. Fake double reverse, that ball was wide open. He just took too long. You gotta let that go. This for AJ? Okay, let's see what you got. He said this for you. He got that big ass binky on him. Got that big ass binky. Hey, bro, he said this for you. Hey, get the binky. Out of there. Whoop, damn it. Out of there. Here you go. Hit him. Oh, got everybody. Spin the block. I got him. Got him. Go what? Ref. Oh, I'm about to say. I gotta learn the rules of flag football. I'm thinking it's at least a first down. Hell no, it's turnover. Get butts. Go. That boy commentating?
Yeah.
That boy doing live commentary.
He said, "This is Greer. They're going to play at Sandy Lakes High School." He takes the handoff.
He said, takes the head off. He goes all right. I'm like, are you commentating over there? Yeah. I thought I was actually listening to a broadcast. I said, wait a second, I'm hearing something. Give it to him. Damn, what's the sack count? Damn, what's the sack count? So they told me it was 13-0 Bolts. I didn't see that at halftime. Yo, somebody gotta give me the rule book. Huh? In a minute, I'm into the girls' football. I'm going to a WNFC game tonight. Yeah, that's why we out here. Bricks is scheming. Bricks is scheming, boy. Hey, Brick. Boy, scheming.
Work like a big dog! Work like a big dog! Hey, that's no viral boats right there, baby!
Oh no, man, them big dogs sound like chihuahuas, boy. Better put some more bass in that bark, boy. Somebody gotta get in the zone. They on the donut. This the AJ Loves the Kids channel. I can't see no ass beating. Come on. Yo, what is the sack count? No, that wasn't 5. That was elite, and he said it out loud. And he said it out loud. Hey, ref, what's the sack count? 7 seconds. 7? All right. I was like, damn. Oh, shit. Bro, come on, man.
I don't care what age you are. When you got mama's milk, you cannot drop it.
He probably can't even spell milk yet. I don't trust you no more, man. You didn't say the wait till 10 get the ball. Look, he don't even want it. He thinking about the Tooth Fairy right now, bro. Yeah, I don't know. 10 look like he want to play Fortnite. He don't look like he want to be out here today.
He just need to lock in. Let me talk to him. I'll get him locked in.
He care more about chewing that mouthpiece. Yeah, that was a sexy little side. That was a sexy little side step. Still ain't got it. Still ain't got it. Yo, he karaoke stepping everything. Well, you got a track team with the footballs in their hands. This is fast. This is what we made the youth channel for, man. Y'all always tell me, cut in my game. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not putting 6-year-olds on the main channel. So we made the youth channel for y'all to shine. And don't forget, 100% of the revenue from this channel goes directly back to youth sports. So I need y'all to keep liking, subscribing, commenting, because eventually I'm gonna sponsor an entire program.
Go to ball. Give it up. Hey, yo. Hey.
Yo, he was making his reason saying no at the same time. He was like,
Like shaking him off.
That boy was head faking from the quarterback. Look at the safety. Tutty. Yeah, this is belt to ass right here. This is belt to ass.
After the 12:30 games, the field's actually shut down for 20 minutes for the refs to eat lunch. Where do you want to be? Because I can put you wherever you want to be.
What do you mean by that?
First, I need to be in the bathroom.
Okay,
and
follow
then
me,
from
come
there,
on.
I'm going to come wherever you're at. Where are you going to be at?
Oh, I'm going to take you to the bathroom right now.
Damn, way to put your foot down.
Oh, no, not right now. I got to finish the game. Here you go. That was a pretty one. Oh, it is, huh? Hey, do that one more time, coach. I missed it. One more time. I love my little bit cushy real. Where's Griff at? Hey, Griff, give me 5, man. Give me 5, man. Come on, man. Oh, yeah, this is about the ass right now. That's about 22 zip. They better get on the board. I done got mauled by fans waiting for this game. And it's about to ass right now. Go, Hill! Oh, get out of there. Pat, Pat. Oh. Yeah, you lied to me. I'm feeling lied to.
I don't know what he's doing.
They getting smacked. Yeah, they getting smacked up right now. They like that little play right there. Cut up. Woo! Cut up. Damn. They got to get on the board now. Second down. I always wonder why they do this. You can very easily just do that. You can't confuse this. This gotta be fancy. Bucket! Get on the board! The moment was just a little bit too big. Down his leg. Alright. Don't tell me it's too deep. He's not tracking that ball. He don't want that ball. That ball go up, he's just going like this. Scheme up a banger, bro. I'm about to FaceTime Zach. Hey, I need a banger for some 7-year-olds. Yeah, hell yeah. Look. Oh, you got him fast. Yup. Lock it in. Lock it in. She know about it. Lock it in. We about to have all the kids out there. They don't know what they doing. Lock it in. Out of there. Oh, that's open. Hey, you can't block and flag because Buddy had the green light. Oh, somebody take it. Out of there. Yo, you got track stars. Oh, man. Look at Grip. This is cheating game. Bro, they just karaoke it out here. This belt to
Kick off, Reese. Kick off, Reese.
He don't want to be here. I'm telling you, you want to play Fortnite right now. 1,000. 2,000. That's game?
That's game.
Let's go forever.
Gritty, heel dance, gritty heel dance.